Hey, what's up everybody, Gerard here from Proline, and I'm going to show you guys real quickly how to assemble the new 2.6 inch Brawler wheel. So the wheel itself will come in two separate pieces, and for this example we're going to be using the 17+ mm wheel, and the process will work the same for both the standard offset and also the plus 17mm wheel. So what comes with the wheel itself will be the two wheel pieces, the front and the rear, as well as the hardware to assemble the wheel, and you also get the hardware that comes to put the planetary gear cover on. So in order to assemble the wheel, you will need two different size wrenches. You'll need a 1.5mm wrench for the planetary gear cover hardware and a 2.0mm wrench for the wheel hardware. So let's get started by assembling the two halves first. So if you look at the front part of the wheel, on the back of it, it has these extruded nubs that will key into the rear part of the wheel in here. So what you want to do is line those up first. And there, you can see they're keyed in and it aligns the wheel properly. So now we're ready to put the hardware around the wheel itself. So for this example, I'm going to use my power drill with my 2.0 inch bit on it. So you want to start off with one screw first. And just go till it bottoms out. So you want to do the next screw directly across from the previous one. So you go till it bottoms out, and then you can go ahead and continue the entire pattern around the whole wheel. So once your wheel is completely assembled with all 10 screws on there, then you're ready to glue your tire onto the wheel itself. So once you have your tire all glued up on your wheel and ready to go, and once you get it mounted up on your truck, then you're ready to put your planetary gear cover on there to give it that final scale look. Now the gear cover itself has these extruded bosses where the screw comes through, which you can use to key it into the wheel on this extruded area here. So what you'll do is just line up that extruded boss onto the wheel and key it in there, and it's ready to be mounted up. So what we're going to do is switch our drill bit from the 2.0 to the 1.5mm, and go ahead and place your screw or both screws on the gear cover itself. And just start screwing it in. Now remember not to go too far, because you don't want to push too far into the planetary gear cover itself. You want it just on there, just nice and snug so it stays on there. So here you have it, your fully assembled Brawler wheel for your solid axle monster truck. So to check out the wheel in action, click on the link. And for more information on this product and other Proline products, check out ProlineRacing.com.